Hi, my name is Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our SKODA, then I'll take you for a ride in it, but first I'll tell you a little bit more about it, if the weather permits. It's a SKODA Fabia 1.4 TDI Monte Carlo. It's a 5-door, 1422cc, 2016 on a 65 plate, one owner from new with a great spec. Done 57,131 miles. Fuel economy, urban 67.3, extra urban 83.1, and combined is 78.5, so very, very economical. 0-60 time of 10.7 seconds, top speed of 113 miles per hour out of an 89 brake horsepower 12 valve engine. It's MOT until the 16th of the 2nd 2021, and it's also got the fantastic benefit of being zero road tax too. I've been putting my camera away and getting it out again. It keeps raining and hailing and you name it. So it's a shocking day today. But I'll just show you around it quickly. It's a really, really good looking car, this. Couple of nice finishes, the black grille. It's got the front splitter there, again finished in black. We've got the full pan roof, full glass panoramic roof there. Multi-spoke alloys, and they're black and diamond cut. Very nice indeed. The black trim along the bottom, along the sills. Privacy glass. The Monte Carlo insignia here. And ordinary tinted glass too. We've got the integrated roof and tailgate spoiler. Rear parking sensors. The split diffuser at the back there. Electric boot release. Load cover, split folding rear seats. If memory serves right, it has got a spare wheel in there, probably a get you home one. Really, really nice and tidy. Great colour scheme too. I'll just show you inside. So it's really nice in the back here. You've also got the Isofix child rear seat anchor points there. Lovely pattern, and then this lovely addition, the glass panoramic roof to full length, and the shade band there. The headrests for an adult you've got to put up, otherwise they're right in the middle of your back, but the rest of it, it's just lovely. Kiddie locks too. What a day. I swear, if I had my time over again, I would take more notice at school. And to Mr. Walton, you were right, I never amounted to much. Great car. It's really, really well finished off. I did say we were going to sell more SKODAs and we were going to get more in, and that's what we're doing. A little car like this, I'll show you when we're driving, but basically at tick over you can do 30 miles an hour without your foot on the accelerator or the clutch, not riding the clutch or anything, and the engine will just tick over and take you along quite happily. So let's just get comfy. Been messing about with the seats here. I've been rained off about 50 times this morning. So we've got height and reach adjustable steering wheel there. It's a great driving position. Nice comfortable seats built up at the sides, and this cloth contrast stitching, and then black, grey and red. It looks really nice. Probably if I was to describe it to somebody over the phone, they'd think that sounds horrific, but it's not, it's nice. Hence the videos. Right, let's go. So it's this little diesel 12 valve engine, which sounds quite meaty, really. Let's just, well, I'll just put it in. I'll put it in fifth now. There you go. Fifth. Probably shouldn't have took my hands off the steering wheel, but we are up a dead end here, so don't report me. So we're actually, it's in fifth. It's actually accelerating. I haven't got my foot on the clutch or the brake or the accelerator. I'm going to have to put it on the brake in a minute because we're getting up to whatever the speed limit is on this road. So that's the good thing about diesel engines. You'd probably never do that in a petrol. It would just cut out. But this has got the torque just to keep you going. And 83 miles to the gallon. You're never going to get that. I don't know where they pluck these figures from. But even if you got, say, 65 miles to the gallon, I'd be happy with that. Because it goes like a little rocket. There we go. Super road holding as well. Great value for money. There we go. Roads are a bit wet today and slippy. Plus we've got gale force winds. So I won't go too mad. The weather is somewhat changeable today. When I came out, I had my sunglasses on, and since then I've been snowed on. Rain, sun again. So, right, back to the car. So here we've got electric door mirrors. That one works. Flip it over to that one. That's working fine. Wipers all good. Squirties, yep. Rear squirters working and rear wipers working great. Brakes, braking in a straight line, no wobbles. Gosh, might have to put my sunglasses on. And it does really sound good. One of those people who picks a lane very, very early and cocks everybody else on the road up. I'm gonna have to put my sunglasses on. That's better. So we've got Bluetooth hands-free. It's a great audio system, and it's also got Bluetooth audio streaming. Let's just see if we can. There we go. That's just changing. Oh, it's a bit of a depressing record. I'm not playing that. Not that. Because the night, Patti Smith. Just give you a blast of that. So that's playing from my phone, which is there. Real good heater, air conditioning as well. Underneath there you've got an auxiliary and USB in switch and also a power socket. The red center console here, this kind of imitation carbon fiber there. Just get my foot down a little bit here. This car was clean when it came in, but Lance has cleaned it, and before I set off out it was like new. The roads are filthy. It's a shame really, and they're full of salt as well. I'm gonna have to park it somewhere where Lance can't see it, otherwise he'll be chasing me around the workshop with his wetback. Trying to kill me. You've got a little display in the centre there. on your indicator stalk. Be interesting to see, because the way this vehicle's geared, obviously it's certainly geared for economy and not speed and not acceleration. So they've got to get their 83 mile per gallon from somewhere. Nice sporty feel to it, nice sporty look too. The low sort of front chin spoiler, and then the rear diffuser at the back, the black wheels. A real buzzy little sound to it. Just get 70 miles an hour in 5th gear. All bunched up in the rain, nobody for letting me in. So that's speed limiter there. So that's on, and then you set from so on. It's like great handling, really sporty. That's the limit set at 40 miles an hour, and then limit on. There you go, 40 miles an hour. It won't let me accelerate past 40 miles an hour. So initially I thought that was cruise control, but it's just a speed limiter. Product knowledge. And there we go. The salt, unfortunately, the heater in the SKODA is tremendous, and the salt off the road is drying off the windscreen faster than I can clear it. Here we go though. There we go. Great. Really, really good. Fun little car. Oops. Right, well, he's indicating to turn. Don't usually trust people there, but it was visibly slowing down. Okay, well, let's just give the screen a bit of a wash. You see there's so much salt on the road now. I'll finish the test drive there. Can only tell you it's a beautiful car inside and out. Really, really good looking thing. Very, very sporty. Very nice to drive. Lovely inside. Good level of specification. And if you're looking for one, I don't think you'd find a nicer, cleaner one. And it's also got a great service history, and it's one owner. So I'll pull over here, just show you how to pair a mobile, delete a mobile, and stream audio through the system. Thanks for watching.